friends, I have a car wash that I've created in my driveway, and I am going to wash up my little riding toy and play and ride through the water, wash it up, ride through the streamers, and pretend like I am washing my riding toy. So you can use a riding toy like what I have here. You can use a tricycle if your child has a tricycle that they want to ride. Get some bubbles. You can blow bubbles while they're riding through the car wash. This, I used some painter's tape to just tape it between my basketball goal and my house. But you can use a string and just some streamers. This is just pieces of the painter's tape, but you can use some just little streamers, or you can get like a little cheap tablecloth from the dollar store. And then I have my hose propped up here to spray some water, and of course some soap and a bucket and some water and some sponges. And you can use Johnson's baby shampoo so it's not harmful, so it doesn't hurt if they get it in their eyes. And then of course you can add some car wash music. And they can have fun washing their riding toy, washing their tricycle, whatever they have. If they have a little wagon that they want to wash. So we're washing all this stuff, washing it up real good, getting soap on it. You can use a sponge if you have a sponge. Wash your riding toy. This is really good squatting and standing while they're washing and they're having fun. And then encourage your child to get on their riding toy or their tricycle, and I want them to ride around and practice moving their riding toy forward while they go through the streamers and the water. And this is a fun way to motivate them to walk their feet forward while they're on their riding toy, or maybe if they're trying to work on a tricycle, it's a fun way for them to start learning how to pedal a tricycle as they're going through a car wash.